Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rose, and in today's video I am going to review these cognac colored sponges. I hope you enjoy it. Go ahead and keep on watching. So you guys, this company sent me these sponges to review. So they're organic cognac, I don't know, colored sponges. It comes in a 6-pack and it has different colors in it. It has the instructions in the back, and it also has a couple good informations about it. So yeah, the different colors of the sponges mean different things. So I have 2 green right there, 1 pink, 1 yellow, and 2 black. So this is all the sponges that I got, and I think I'm gonna use the black one because the black one I think is the one with activated charcoal in it. So it's for a deep clean, and I have like makeup all over my face, so I'm gonna try to see if I can remove everything with this sponge, right? So the first step for this, like when you see it, it comes in a pack. It's kind of like rough, like it doesn't feel like a sponge, like it's like hard. So you're supposed to put it in water for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you're supposed to massage it on your face. You can massage it with water or just with only water, or you can also use your cleanser. You can use your regular cleanser. I think I'm gonna use a cleanser just because I have makeup all over my face. I don't want to just use water because I know it's not gonna remove everything. So yeah, I got my cup of water here with me and the sponge. So I'm gonna try to see. I'm gonna do like 1 dip, see what it does. Let me see, I just want to see. Okay, so it's still kind of hard, but I feel like it's getting softer, right? So I'm just gonna dip. It makes like a weird noise. Like I just dipped it in there. I don't think I need the whole sponge though. So you need to dip it in there for 3 to 5 minutes. That soaks a lot of water. Wow, it's so soft now. This is kind of cool, guys. And it's organic too, so it's kind of cool that you're using like an organic sponge. So this is the hard version, you can see, and then this is the soft one. Like, that's kind of cool. I don't think you need to dip it in for 3 to 5 minutes because look how quick that thing became super soft. So I'm just gonna dip it in a little bit longer just because, and then I'm gonna go grab my cleanser so I can cleanse this off my face and we can see what it's gonna. I'm just gonna remove the little glitters that I put on my face, and I'm not sure what I want to do with this video. I think I'm just gonna put this makeup tutorial with the video, like in the beginning of the video, and then put this after. But yeah, I filmed this tutorial, and I use my AllThingsRoseMetics makeup brushes. So go ahead and shop because these brushes just did that. Okay, they just did that. So AllThingsRoseMetics. Let me just remove these. So this sponge feels kind of like, I didn't wet everything because I don't think I would need everything or use everything. So I just wet what I needed. But the sponge kind of feels like a makeup brush, but it's not like, not a makeup brush, sorry, a beauty blender. What am I thinking? It kind of feels like a beauty blender. And the color of the water, I don't know if you can see it, but the color of the water slightly changed to like a greenish color. So I don't know about that, but yeah, it says when you're using a cleanser, just use half of it. Just use half the amount you would regularly use. So I am using my Aveeno Positively Radiant Micellar you guys are gonna eventually learn that I do not speak English. So my Cellar, I think, gel cleanser, and it's also makeup remover, so it's gonna help me remove all of that. So yeah, I'm gonna use my Vino cleanser. If I find a link, I will put it down below for you guys, and I will obviously put the link to this down below. So I just put like a pump and a half. I don't know if you can see. And let's just, I'm scared. Let's just see what it's gonna do. Okay. All right. So I'm not getting like any soap from my cleanser. Like my cleanser is not foaming up. It usually does, but this time it's not. So I don't know. Let me try to put the cleanser on my face on this side, and then use that. So I'm gonna use the other side. Pretty much the same thing. Doesn't really foam up my cleanser, but let me see if it's gonna remove the brows. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Okay. So I'm gonna go actually like wash my face off right now, just because it did remove a good amount, but not like everything. So that's what we about to do right now. Go remove the rest. All right, you guys. So my face is washed. And did remove everything, so I think that's fine. Just got lash glue over there, but that's about it. So next I'm just gonna do my, because usually I don't just straight up wash my face with all this makeup on. I usually use a makeup wipe like this, or like this. So I'm just about to wash my, use my what is it, Garnier Micellar water. I just put it like that because it has a little, I just put it in this because it has those little pumps where I can just go. Makes my life easier. So I'm just gonna wash my face, wipe my face one time with this. So this is what I got from my whole face, which honestly is not a lot. Usually I would have to use 4 of these, and I only use 1, which is not bad at all. I'm saying 4, what? 3 or 2, which is not bad. By the way, y'all, bomb curls. I use the Lotta Body custard, and I just wash my hair, use the custard, and bam. If you guys want a video on that, y'all know what to do in the comment section. Just let me know. I can do a little hair tutorial, natural hair tutorial for you guys. So next, I'm just gonna use my Garnier Skin Active Hydrating Facial Mist with aloe juice. Right there. Just to like hype up the face a little, you know. I'm about to go to sleep, so super far because I really don't want a whole bunch of this on my face, right? And to finish, I am going to use my Pond's Dry Skin Cream because we all know Rose got the driest skin ever. And I've been using this for 3 years now, almost 4 years, and it's been working wonders for my skin. So I never chose anything else. So this is my Pond's, and I have like the big ass bottle because, you know, I need all of that. I just use like a dime size for my whole face. And upward motions. I know black don't crack, but we ain't trying to crack early, so upward motions. usually use my Monet Rejuvenate mixed with this. I have the smallest amount left, so yeah, and I also don't have it with me right now, so Pond's it is. Pond's worked before, so Pond's will keep working, but I need me a new Monet Rejuvenate because this oil is amazing. It is one of the best oils. It helps with keeping your skin clear. Like right there was like a whole bunch of dark spots, and as you can see, they're going away. So, and then here also I had like more dark spots. You can see the old ones right there. They were everywhere, but now they're like going away. So that is really, really good. And for my lips, I'm just going to use my AllThingsRoseMetics moisturizing lip balm. For men or women. It's not because the packaging is purple that men can't get it. It is amazing for the men. Our lips need to be moisturized. So men, women, whatever you are, you need a lip balm, and you know where to get it. I like to put a whole bunch because I don't know, I'm weird like that. I literally like put it all over my lips just because my whole lips to be moisturized, and the corners too. I know it may look crazy, but there's some sense to my madness. I'm just saying, there's some sense to my madness. And I don't know what happened to my earrings. You guys, my final thoughts on these sponges. Will I use it with makeup again? Oh my god, I have something in my eyeball. Anyways, will I use it with makeup again to remove makeup? Not necessarily. Will I use it more often now that I have it? Yes. I think this was $10. Yeah, it was $9.90 something. It's worth it. Honestly, it's really worth it. You have 6 of them. You can just use one like 2 to 3 times a week. Like it says to use daily, but I don't know. I'm not the type of person to exfoliate my skin every single day, just because my skin tends to be super dry, and exfoliating your skin dries it out even more. So it depends on how your skin is. You can exfoliate more or less depending on like what type of skin you have, honestly. So I have super dry skin, so I would not use this to exfoliate my skin every day. I would probably use it once, twice, maximum 3 times a week if I have the time, because honestly I just be so tired. I just be going straight to sleep. But I will try to like get into this because I feel like it's a good product. So, and it's also organic, so we love everything organic. It smells kind of like, I don't know, it smells organic. Like it smells natural, honestly. So the product like is really not bad. I would definitely recommend it, and I'd give it like a 4 stars out of 5 stars, just because I wasn't able to remove like all of my makeup with it. I was able to remove some of it, so I mean most of it. So yeah, I would recommend this if you want to like have like more hydrating skin, have like less your pores be more clean and everything. Like I would definitely recommend it. Like my skin is glowing right now, so even though I got a little pimples right here, but let's ignore that. But my skin is glowing. Like I really like this. Nose is exfoliated, forehead, 5 head, 6 head exfoliated. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you go get yourself some Konjac, I still don't know how to say this, sponges, because they are really worth it. And thank you to the company for sending me these sponges. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate doing the review for them. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.